What's good, man? Welcome to another video, man. And in today's video, we're about to check the nightlife in Phnom Penh. You already know what time it is, man. So we got like the street with the bars, and there is like bunch of bars, honestly. And yeah, I already seen like girls even by the river that wanna, you know what I'm saying? So we got like bunch of bars, and it's like no music, honestly. Like no, it's not loud. But yeah, like you got bunch of women like in front of the bars. You know what I'm saying? So it's looking actually like that, and yeah, it's like it's crazy. So many bars. Like I think maybe even more than at Bangla Road. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, not really like the women are not standing really like in front of the bars to bring the customers, I would say. And some girls are actually scared because I got the flash on. You know what I'm saying? But you got even Phnom Penh Nightlife, bro. So yeah, that is funny. But yeah, without the flash is terrible. Like, yeah, just look at this, bro. Yeah, okay, maybe it's not that bad actually. Yeah, it's not that bad. So maybe it's better to record like without the flash, you know what I'm saying? So we got like bunch of bars. But yeah, all the girls doing this. That's another place when it's happening, actually. So that is crazy. But yeah, it's okay. But yeah, I feel like I gotta have the cameraman because like, yeah, bro, like everybody is literally like hiding their face. We got like bunch of flags and everything, but yeah, everybody is hiding their face. So I gotta pull up with the cameraman, bro, because I'm getting tired of it, you know what I'm saying? Because I cannot really deliver stuff. You feel me? If like everybody is doing this, yeah, it's taking the joy away, let's say. But yeah, like again, it's another place like that, like off camera would be madness. You know what I'm saying? And it's really makes me sad, bro, like that, I cannot really show things on camera. And it's not because I don't want to show it, it's because if I do this, people start acting differently or hiding. But yeah, it's like bunch of bars, bro. And yeah, it's crazy, like it's super crazy. But yeah, I'm doing the challenge for my main channel, and I'm not really the type of person that will go to a bar first, like off camera, and then be like, hey, do you want to record something? Like, no. But yeah, there is like another street over there. So you see, you definitely got the nightlife over there. That's 100% that you get the nightlife, but it's a little bit different type of nightlife because as you can see, you got bunch of lights, stuff like that. But this is not loud at all. Nobody's grabbing you, and people not really like on the street. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, maybe it is like the wrong time because it's like 9:40. But you see, like everybody is sit like in front of the bar, and yeah, that's it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's kind of like, it's taking the joy away, especially for y'all, because like I can come here off camera and that's it. But like for y'all, you cannot really see anything, but just look at this poor hub, bro. Like, that's funny, bro. Like, that's the funniest one. Like, whoever invited it is a boss. You know what I'm saying? But damn, like, this making those type of videos like become really like not even worth it, because like, yeah, just doing this and everybody is hiding their face is bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's literally bullshit. So yeah, after I finish the challenge on my main channel, I'll start to just focus on normal dates, or get a, you know, cameraman and a microphone. You know what I'm saying? Because yeah, I see that like it's not cool. You got like cowgirl bar, so the names are crazy, and yeah, people that made it are super creative. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, in terms of like video, you can see, right? I can show it, so you got like little walk. But yeah, comparing to like at least little interactions in Thailand and a bunch of interaction in Philippines, yeah, here was nothing. Let me see if there is like one more to the lefty, because it might be one more actually street with the bars. But yeah, my point is like, just walking and doing this is not the way to do something entertaining, you know. Yeah, I gotta like do better, like, and focus on actual dates on this channel, because it's like, I think, third video in a row like this. And yeah, you see that there are some bars, little like massage place. Even those ladies over there was like hiding their face, and I'm like 5 even more meters away from them. You know what I'm saying? But at least you got cool names of these bars, like Sin City is cool. Yeah, Sin City, bro. Island bar. So yeah, that's definitely cool names. But yeah, content itself is terrible. You know, like, content itself is terrible. Yeah, we can walk just like to the end of that street, and yeah, we will be done, because like, come on, man, like, there's literally, it's sad, bro. Like, yeah, you got Hagu, so you got like at least cool names, you know. But yeah, it's so funny that everybody is hiding. It wasn't like that in the previous one, but yeah, wet. Like, look at the names, wet. Imagine having a bar and you call it wet. Like, oh, that's crazy. Yeah, Kiss Bar is the same in like Oman in Thailand, Kiss Bar. But yeah, in general, like, yeah, like off camera it's a cool place, I already see, and the girls are beautiful, don't get me wrong, the girls are lit. But yeah, I just realized that making video like this is literally nothing, bro. Like, come on. We got like Katrat, same bar. Yeah, so the street is over, bro. Like, actually, it's really over. Tiger Link, yeah, so I'm about to finish because like, yeah, it doesn't make sense now. Yeah, you could see like that there is definitely nightlife. It's different type of nightlife, but you got beautiful ladies, that's for sure. uh, but yeah, I gotta stick with like regular dates, or if I do something like this, I go with the like I gotta buy microphone and I gotta have the cameraman, because you know, just walking like this and doing this when other people doing this is nothing. And yeah, I'm like, you know, I will not come up to anybody whether it's flash on or without and like force content, you know. I do content when it's like natural and someone come up to me. And yeah man, so again I learn, you can see that there is definitely a nightlife, but like video itself, not satisfied at all. So yeah, here is no more nightlife. So yeah man, if you somehow enjoy this video, then like, comment, subscribe, give me some content recommendation in the comments man. Stay tuned and see you on to the next one.